Hi friends, this is Miss Thomas and I am so glad to be back with you again. We're going to jump right on into our lesson like we always do, but you know what we have to start off with first? That's right, we have to start off with our objectives. So let's get started with our objectives. We are going to be continuing counting and we're going to continue talking about shapes and what we can do with the shapes and all about our counting. We're going to count items, all kind of items. We're going to demonstrate that the last thing that we counted is how many we have all together. And then we're going to talk about our shapes. We're going to name them again. We're going to put them in groups. And we're going to show that if we turn them any kind of way, they still remain the same. But you know what the best part about this lesson I like doing? I like starting off with a story. Yes, are you ready for a story? You are. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'm going to put the objectives down and we're going to get right on into our book. The name of our book is called Two Little Witches. It's a Halloween counting story. I know some of you guys, you like Halloween. I do too. It's fun. You can count, especially the candy part, right? Yeah, so let's jump right onto our story. We're going to talk about the parts of the book. The front cover, the back cover, and the spine. You know what the spine does. It holds our book together. So let's see what our counting is all about. Oh, it's very colorful. Well, it says, if one little witch meets another little witch, that makes, let's count it. One little witch, two little witch, two witches. Okay. Then it says two little witches going trick-or-treating. If two little witches meet one small clown, that makes, so let's count them. One, two, three. So we have three friends dressed up. All right. Then it says three trick-or-treaters in the dark on Halloween night. If three trick-or-treaters meet one tall skeleton, that makes, let's do some counting. One, two, three, four. Look at him, he's excited. Yay! He is excited. I get excited too when I know I'm going to get some candy. Four trick-or-treaters going trick-or-treating. If four trick-or-treaters meet one striped cat, that makes, you know what I like to do? You guessed it, I like counting. Let's count them. One, two, three, four, and the little witch back there is five. Five trick-or-treaters in the dark on Halloween night. If five trick-or-treaters meet one fuzzy bunny, that makes, we just left off at four. What comes after four? Five. You got it. One, two, three, four, five. Here comes that fuzzy bunny. Six trick-or-treaters going trick-or-treating. If six trick-or-treaters meet one orange pumpkin, that makes, so we said six. What comes after six? If you don't know, guess what you can do? You got it right. You can count. One, two, three, four, five, six, and I think that's the orange cat. Seven. Oh, look at that. Seven trick-or-treaters in the dark on Halloween night. Look how cool they're lined up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far, we have 7 trick-or-treaters. So if 7 trick-or-treaters meet one friendly pirate, how many do you think that's going to make? Well, let's count. Let's start with the pirate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gosh, I like your counting. You're doing really good. Well, 8 trick-or-treaters going trick-or-treating. If 8 trick-or-treaters meet one big astronaut, that makes how many now? Woo! Let's do some counting. Let's start with the astronaut. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 8. One more made 9 trick-or-treaters. So 9 trick-or-treaters in the dark on Halloween night. Well, if 9 trick-or-treaters meet one pink princess, how many does that make? So we've counted so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what comes after 9? Because we're going to meet a pink princess. Did you say 10? Awesome. I like your counting. Awesome. 10 trick-or-treaters going trick-or-treating in the dark on Halloween night. Look at all of the trick-or-treaters. Are you ready to count with Miss Thomas? You are? Fantastic. Well, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Well, what are you going to dress up as on Halloween night and get some candy? But remember, we have to be safe when we're trick-or-treating. That means we got to go with a parent or a big brother, big sister, and make sure we only go to the houses that have lights. Look how cool this is. So it says, if 10 trick-or-treaters tiptoe up to a spooky old house and a monster opens up the door, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna scream? Are you gonna run? Are you gonna shout? And if the princess, the cat, the clown, the pirate, the pumpkin, the astronaut, the bunny, and the skeleton run away, how many will they leave us? Look at the scary monster. He's going, boo! That leaves 2 little witches in the dark on Halloween night. Well, if one little witch rides off on her broomstick, how many will we have left? It says, well, one little witch, she's going to go home to count her treats. That leaves no trick-or-treaters going trick-or-treating. I'm like that little bitty girl witch. I'm going to go home and eat all of my treats. I like this book. This book was cool. We talked about trick-or-treating. We talked about what you're going to dress up as. And we did some counting. So every time someone met someone, we just counted more and more. Let's keep counting. Are you ready? I'm going to put my book down. And I'm going to give us some random numbers. Here's number 2. What number is that, friends? Yes, number 2. Can we clap number 2? Good. All right, let's put our hands together and let's clap. 1, 2. How many you just counted? Yes, you counted 2. Let's do another number. Let's look at number 5. Yes, number 5. Can we clap up to number 5? When we start counting, we always start with number 1. All right. Hands together. Let's clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. How many did you count? Yes, you counted 5. Good. We're going back to our objective. when we count, and the last thing we counted is that number. Cool. Uh-oh, I'm giving you bigger numbers now. What number do you think that is? Give me a little thinking time. That is number 8. What number is that, friends? Number 8. Guess how many times we're going to clap? You guessed it right. We're going to clap 8 times. All right. Put those hands together. Let's clap 8 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. How many times we clapped? Yes, we clapped 8 times. Woohoo! All right, I'm going to give you one more big number. You ready? Can you guess what that number is? I know I need some thinking time. You ready for some thinking time? Let's give you some thinking time. A 1 and a 3. What is that when you put it together? A 1 and 3, that's number 13. Yes, number 13. Are you ready to clap that big number? Well, I am. Well, let's go. Hands together, and we're going to clap a little bit faster. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many you counted up to? You got that right. We counted up to 13. Cool. All right, I got one more number for you. It's a big one. Let's see. Can you guess what that number is? Yep, I need some more thinking time. This is my thinking phase. This number is I'm sorry, not 13. Miss Thomas. This number is 16. You got it. Say it with me. 16. Are you ready to count up to 16? I sure am. Let's go. Remember, we're going to count a little faster. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I almost went to a bigger number. Good, I stopped myself. We stop at number 16. That's a big number. I like that you did some good counting. Good job. Now we're going to move over to some shapes. You guys know these shapes, but you know, for those that just might have forgotten, we're going to go over the shapes. You ready? This shape is a rectangle. Yes, you got it right. It's a rectangle. Easy peasy. All right, our next shape is an oval. You got it right. An oval. Yes, an oval goes around and around. All right, what shape do you think this is? That's right, this shape is a rhombus. What shape is this? A rhombus. Yes, a rhombus has 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. How about this shape? Yes, this shape is a triangle. What shape is this, friends? You got it right, a triangle. Well, how many sides do you see on this triangle? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, let's look at this shape. Remember, we all have one of these inside our chest. Yes, it is a heart. Yes, a heart. Our heart has curved lines. A heart has curved lines. Yes. Okay, let's look at this shape. This shape is a square. Yes, a square. And a square, all the sides are the same size. Let's count them. Remember, we're doing counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides on our square. Yes. Let's look at another shape. Another shape is a circle. Yes, a circle goes around and around like a clock. Be careful not to mix up an oval and a circle, because sometimes friends say that the oval is really a circle, but that's not true. An oval is shaped like an egg, okay? But even though it goes around and around, but be careful that we don't confuse them. Circle, oval. Good, circle over. Now we're going to look at some things. We're going to talk about some shapes. If we turn them, will they be the same? Yes. Look at this triangle. Here's the triangle. If I turn the triangle that way, guess what? It's still a triangle, okay? What if I have my rectangle? It's sitting a tall way. What if I turn it this way? Is it still a rectangle? Absolutely doodly, Miss Thomas. It's still a rectangle. Well, we're going to play around with some shapes. We're going to turn some shapes, and we're going to make bigger shapes out of smaller shapes. Are you ready to rock and roll with me? You are? All right, cool. Let's do it. Let me move my shapes over some. Move my counting papers over for you. I'm going to bring in my bucket full of shapes. Yes. And then I'm going to move my chart over so you guys can see it very well. Here it is. So I got some of my little putty to help make it stick. All right. I'm going to start off with a yellow shape. It's yellow. And it's shaped like a triangle. Yes. So I'm going to put it up over here. And I'm going to put it right there. Now, I'm going to see if I get another shape. That's another triangle. I will know if I put it on underneath my yellow triangle, will I create another shape? I don't know, Miss Thomas. Let's check it out. Put a little sticky there. Wow, Miss Thomas. You did make a new shape out of two triangles. It looks like a what? What does it look like to you? It looks like a rhombus to me. Yes. Four sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. All right, let's do something else. All right, let's get another triangle. He's red this time. All right, I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to turn it a certain way. There we go. All right, I'm going to get another triangle. He is orange. Yes, he's orange. Going to put a little putty on it, and then I'm going to turn him a certain way. Let's see if my two triangles make a new shape. Uh-oh, I think my triangles do. Look at that. These two triangles, guess what they made? You got it right. You guessed it right. They made a square. Wow, Miss Thomas. Other shapes can make new shapes. Yeah, you can. I made a square, and up here I had a rhombus. Did you know we can do that? It's fun making shapes out of new shapes. It truly is. Now, I'm going to do something with the shapes. We're going to count them. We're going to put them in different groups, okay? We're going to put maybe red with red, green with green, yellow with yellow. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to count those shapes. What you said, Miss Sam? We already counted. Remember, we can always count to get better. Practice makes permanent. Are we ready to do some shape counting? Yes, we are. Okay. I'm going to take this blue one. I'm going to still keep it. I'm going to put this one over here. I'm going to put another blue. This time I got a smaller blue one. So where does the blue go? Does the blue go with the yellow? Will the blue go with a red? Or will the blue go with an orange? Blue goes with blue. Yes, blue goes with blue. All right, now I'm going to get another color out. Let's see what I got. Let's separate the orange. Let's put the orange right there. Look at that shape right there. It looks like a rhombus. Yes, it looks like a rhombus. And what color do you think it is? It is orange. Okay, well, will it go with the blue? No, Miss Thomas. Will it go with the yellow? No, Miss Thomas. Will it go with the red? No, Miss Thomas. So then the only place it's going to go is with the orange. Remember, orange go with orange, blue go with blue, yellow goes with yellow, red goes with red. So in that case, then let's get a yellow. So where will the yellow go? You're right. Yellow will go with the yellow. Yellow will go with yellow. All right, let me see if I can trick you. Let me see about this one here. Well, what color is this one, Miss Thomas? And it's the triangle. It is green. Uh-oh. I don't see any green over here. Do you see any green? So what should we do? We can make a group all by itself. Okay, cool. Let's put him in the middle. So we got a green group, so we're going to put him in the middle. All right, let's do another red one. Let's put out a red one. Oh my gosh, we have a red square. A red square. So where would the red go? Will the red go with the blue? Will the red go with the yellow? Will red go with the green? No, Miss Thomas. Will red go with the orange? No way. So the only place our red can go is red go with red. So you say, it's the green looking sad and lonely by itself. Well, guess what we can do? We can get a green shape and go with the green shape, right? So we have all of these colors. Yellow go with yellow shapes. Blue go with blue shapes. Orange go with orange shapes. And red go with red. And then guess what goes? You got it. Green go with green. Well, that's what we did. We did some sorting by shapes. We also made new shapes with our old shapes. So guess what we're going to do right now? We are going to count all of the shapes. No matter what we do, we always love counting. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. We're going to start with the yellow. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many shapes did we count in all? Yes, you guessed it right. We counted 10 shapes in all. So before we finish counting, guess what we need to do? That's right. We're going to have to clap it. So put your hands together. Let's clap it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it, guys. We did all of that counting together. I really and truly counting about our Halloween counting story. We did shapes. We even turned the shapes. So if you see we turned them, they're still the same. And no matter how much we counted, the last number we counted is what we have. We counted 10 shapes. Guess what? We have 10 in all. Friends, that is all the time I have with you. I tell you, I get so excited when we're doing work together. I don't want to leave you, but it gets me excited until I see you the next time. Okay, friends? Make sure you are counting every day. Have your mom help you count. You can count shoes. You can count socks. You can count spoons. You can count beans. And guess what? You can put them in little bitty groups, and then you can ask your friends, hey, how did I sort my objects that I counted? Yeah, you can do that. And you know what they're going to say? I like your thinking. Until next time, friends, I'll see you later, and you make sure you take care of yourself. Okay, friends? Bye. See you later, alligators. After a while, crocodile. Bye, good friends.